Hello everyone, hi. In this video, I am going to show you how to start a Zoom meeting and how to use Zoom application. So let's start our video. So first install Zoom application and sign in. Now here open Zoom, new meeting, start a meeting. Take some fraction of seconds to start the meeting. So let's wait. The meeting has started. Meeting year end, and here we check two options: meeting for all and leave meeting. If you click on leave meeting, only we will get out of the meeting. If you end meeting for all will come out of the meeting. So the meeting has been ended. Now here to join a meeting we have to go here and we have to type the meeting ID.